Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Bar Foot Rails is probably one of the most stylish and functional additions you can make to your home bar or entertainment space, instantly elevating the ambience and providing a touch of professional flair that guests will surely notice and appreciate. These rails not only offer a comfortable place for patrons to rest their feet, reducing fatigue during extended social gatherings, but they also serve as a crucial design element, defining the aesthetic of your bar area and contributing to an overall cohesive and inviting atmosphere that encourages longer stays and memorable experiences. Number 5. Muzata HF20SL44 Foot Bar Foot Rail Kit. Tired of uncomfortable seating? This bar foot rail kit adds an elegant touch to your home, providing a much-needed place for your feet to rest. Crafted from premium stainless steel, this kit offers exceptional resistance to corrosion, rust, and water. Accidental spills are no match for its durable finish. Installation is a breeze with our specially designed brackets and included hardware. You'll have it set up in no time with just a few basic tools. Available in antique copper or brushed finishes, and in 4 feet, 6 feet, or 8 foot lengths, you can find the perfect match for your decor and space. This complete kit includes all necessary brackets, tubing, end caps, screws, anchors, and an Allen key for a hassle-free setup. Check the tubing for pre-installed parts. Elevate your home bar or counter area with this stylish and functional foot rail. It's the perfect blend of form and function for any indoor or outdoor setting. What we like. If you're looking for a touch of sophistication for your home bar or commercial space, this option offers a sleek brushed stainless steel finish that complements modern decor. Its high-quality, rust-proof material ensures longevity, even with frequent use or spills. The straightforward installation process makes it an excellent choice for DIY enthusiasts who want a professional look without the hassle. What people say. The bar foot rail is made of high-quality stainless steel, which is durable and resistant to rust. The design of the foot rail is sleek and modern, adding a touch of elegance to the home bar. Installation was straightforward, and all necessary hardware was included. Number 4. Heavy-duty steel square tube foot rail kit, black, 4 feet. Introducing our heavy-duty steel foot rail kit, designed to significantly improve comfort and stability. Its practical design offers convenient foot support, making it ideal for various settings. This kit is perfect for a wide range of applications, including pubs, bars, restaurants, and home decoration. It's suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, providing a safe and stable solution wherever you need it. Crafted from industry-standard metal, it ensures safety and longevity. You can rely on its strength and sturdiness, as it is resistant to rust and not easily broken. Featuring a premier black powder coating, it not only adds beauty to your space but is also easy to clean. This means less time on maintenance and more enjoyment. Installation is a breeze with the included hardware. Simply fix the brackets and install the end caps for a quick and correct setup, designed for your convenience. We are committed to providing high-quality after-sales service. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to contact us, and we'll do our best to assist you. What we like. For those prioritizing comfort and a larger foot contact area, this kit features a unique square tube design that enhances stability and provides a more comfortable resting spot. The durable black powder coating not only adds a stylish, modern aesthetic but also makes it easy to clean and resistant to rust. If you need a robust and stable solution for high-traffic areas like pubs or busy home bars, this is a great pick. What people say. The product is very sturdy and well-made. Easy to install and looks great in my home bar. The finish is durable and resists scratches. Number 3. Senmit 8-foot industrial iron pipe handrail, matte black. Looking to add stability and safety to your indoor stairs? Or perhaps you want to give your home a modern, elegant makeover? This handrail is the perfect solution for both. Crafted from superior quality, heavy-duty iron, this handrail features a rust-proof coating and a durable design. It's built to withstand the test of time, ensuring long-lasting use. Installation is a breeze. Unlike other options, this handrail comes with all the necessary mounting hardware, including wall brackets, elbows, and tees, for a smooth, user-friendly experience. Its applications are wide-ranging for residential homes. It's ideal for stairs, lofts, bathroom grab bars, and even indoor and outdoor fences. Choose the perfect fit for your needs. It's available in various convenient sizes, from 3 feet to 10 feet, allowing you to customize your space with exquisite contemporary decor. What we like. If you need a versatile and sturdy handrail that can double as a bar foot rail, this industrial iron pipe option is ideal. Its robust construction with a rust-proof coating ensures durability for both indoor and outdoor applications, making it perfect for stairs, porches, or as a functional footrest. If you appreciate a raw, industrial aesthetic and need a reliable grab bar that can also serve a secondary purpose, consider this product. What people say. The product is very sturdy and well made. Easy to install and looks great in my home bar. High quality materials and excellent craftsmanship. Number 2. OUTWATER 8-foot bar foot rail kit. Elevate your counter seating with this elegant foot rail kit. Its industrial-grade quality is perfect for both homes and businesses, adding a touch of sophistication to any detail. Make your bar seating more comfortable for everyone. This functional footrest allows your guests to relax and feel truly at home. Experience the beauty of a polished brass finish. The solid brass construction and stable bracket design offer both style and reliable support. Designed to fit an 8-foot space, this kit can be easily trimmed for smaller areas. Simply measure, cut, and add the end caps for a perfect, custom fit. Transform your counter seating in under an hour with this complete kit. It includes everything needed for a quick and hassle-free installation. What we like. If you desire a luxurious and classic look for your bar area, this solid brass foot rail kit is an excellent choice. The polished brass finish adds a touch of elegance, and its commercial-grade quality ensures it can withstand heavy use. If you have a specific space that requires a custom length or want to achieve a high-end, timeless aesthetic, the ability to trim to fit makes it highly adaptable. What people say. The product is made of high-quality stainless steel, which is durable and resistant to rust. The installation process was straightforward and took less than an hour. The foot rail has a sleek and modern design that complements any decor. Number 1. PAMO Heavy-Duty Industrial Pipe Hand Rail. Introducing the PAMO Heavy-Duty Industrial Pipe Hand Rail. It's designed for both indoor and outdoor use, offering a robust and stylish solution for your safety needs. This handrail brings a simple yet striking industrial loft style to your home. It's perfect for mounting on walls, serving as a stair railing, or even as a barn door handle. Unlike others, our metal pipe handrails provide a perfect, grease-free grip. They function excellently as indoor stair railings or heavy-duty outdoor stair handrails. With a high-quality powder coating, these pipe brackets are scratch and rust-resistant. They are ideal for use as deck railings, porch railings, or handrails for outdoor steps. Its simple design seamlessly fits any interior style while providing essential functionality. We are confident in its quality, offering a 2-year manufacturer's warranty and easy returns. What we like. For those who love the industrial loft aesthetic and need a multifunctional piece, this handrail is a fantastic option. It's designed to be grease-free and offers a perfect grip, making it suitable for stairs, as a barn door handle, or as a bar foot rail. If you're looking for a product that combines striking design with practicality and durability for both indoor and outdoor use, this offers great value and style. What people say. The product is very sturdy and well made. Easy to install and looks great in my home bar. The finish is durable and resists scratches. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.